Hey guys, Jay Howerton, Service Manager, Neil Huffman Acura. Wanted to take just a few minutes to talk about engine coolant. Engine coolant will help the entire cooling system against corrosion, and it also helps against boil over and freezing. The cooling system will help circulate coolant from the engine to the radiator to transfer heat to the outside air. Engine coolant is something that's very simple to check yourself right here from the coolant reservoir. Simply make sure the vehicle is turned off and not at operating temperature. You'll have a fill line and a low line. Go ahead and add coolant right here by taking off this cap. It's always good to try to use a funnel. Add coolant and then you'll start the engine and let it run and get up to operating temperature. Once it's at operating temperature, the coolant level may lower just a little bit, and that's perfectly normal. Simply add a little more, put the cap back on, and it's good to go. It is always important to come back the next day to double check the coolant level, and that'll just ensure that you don't have any leaks or any issues inside the cooling system. It's very important to use the proper engine coolant in your Acura and never mix different types of coolant. Acura's original equipment coolant is specially formulated specifically for your Acura vehicle. It is a 50% mix of antifreeze and demineralized water to provide excellent corrosion protection to metal parts without swelling or warping the rubber parts. Properly maintained coolant will provide performance under extreme operating conditions and protects against freezing to -34 degrees and boiling all the way to 228 degrees. Like any other liquid or fluid in your Acura, engine coolant will start to break down over time, and that's why the manufacturer recommends complete replacement every 7 years or 100,000 miles. So if you aren't comfortable checking your engine coolant on your own, feel free to pull in, and one of our service consultants or technicians will be happy to assist you. Our parts and service department's always committed to earning your loyalty every time you visit, and helping you prolong the life of your vehicle is always our top priority. Huffman has it.